Hey, have you ever heard the phrase that knowledge is power? Well, in this video, I really want to kind of deconstruct that and talk about why knowledge really isn't power and what you can do to claim power in your own life, and specifically if you want to build an online business with affiliate marketing, because that's what we talk about here on this channel. So let's cue the intro and then we'll get into the discussion here. Hey, it is Daniel P. Robertson here, and if you want to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. All right, so in this video, we're talking about this idea that knowledge is power, and really why knowledge isn't power, and what the real truth is if you want to claim the power in your own life, to grow an audience, to build a business online. Because here's the truth, is that I see a lot of people who spend a lot of time learning about affiliate marketing and internet marketing and sales funnels and search engine optimization. Hey, I was one of these people. Also, I spent years learning about all the details about online business. I spent years learning and studying. I purchased different paid courses. I went through all these different free courses. I read blogs. I was in forums. I was in Facebook groups. I've watched all these YouTube videos all about online marketing and sales and persuasion and building an email list and sales funnels and even freelancing and all these other things, right? I've learned a lot of information about all these things, but it didn't make a difference in my life. It didn't improve my life at all. It didn't do anything for me. It didn't help me grow a business until I realized the secret. And so now that I'm starting to apply this secret, that's what's going to change my life. So the truth is that knowledge is not power. If you have knowledge, but you don't do anything with it, it's just going to be a bunch of information that just sits in your head and does nothing for you. But when you take knowledge and you apply it consistently over and over again, day after day, week after week, month after month, that's when knowledge becomes power. Applied knowledge is power. Knowledge that you take action on, that you use, that you implement, that becomes power. So for example, creating an online business. You can learn about affiliate marketing. You can learn about search engine optimization. You can learn about picking the right niche. You can learn about, how to build an email list. You can learn all these things. And you can sit there and you can let self-doubt and fear and all this other stuff stop you from putting in the work, right? That's what I did. I allowed self-doubt to stop me. I allowed fear to stop me. I didn't want to put in the work if I didn't know that I was going to get a result. I didn't want to, take action when I didn't feel like I was ready to take action. So I kept staying on this path, this cycle, really, of getting ready to get ready, where that's all I was doing. I was just trying to get ready to be ready to start affiliate marketing. But I never got ready just from the idea of learning and studying and trying to figure it all out before I started, right? Because really, when it comes down to it, you can't learn everything you need to learn from a course or from a YouTube video or whatever. You can only learn what you really need to learn by taking action, by putting in the reps, by experimenting, by trying things out, and figuring out how things are going to work for you. So let's take a look at an example of this. Say you want to build a large following on YouTube, to use that audience to grow a business, to make affiliate promotions, build an email list, all of that. You're looking to grow on YouTube, right? Well, if you never make a video, it's never going to happen for you. If you never sit down and record and say, okay, let's get it on the camera, let's make the video, and let's push through this, it's never going to happen for you. You're never going to grow that YouTube channel. But when you take the time and you consistently record video after video after video, yes, maybe your first videos will be really bad. Maybe they're going to suck. Like, they probably will. Like when you're starting out, your videos will probably not be very good, or your blog posts will probably not be very good. But then when you take that knowledge that you've been learning about video marketing, when you study the best practices of video marketing, right, you take a little bit of time to learn, but then you go and you implement those things that you've been learning about. You implement the strategies. You put your best foot forward. You get in front of the camera. You record a video. You make that video as good as you can make it at what the level you're at right now. You publish the video. And then you do it again, and you do it again, and you do it again. Eventually, you're going to figure it out. Eventually, it's going to all come together for you. Eventually, I don't know when that is. You know, you could probably start getting results even when you're still not very good. I've seen people on YouTube who have small channels and not a lot of views, and they don't seem very confident on the camera. They don't have a very good on-camera presence. I've seen people make the videos, grow their YouTube channel, and build a business from that YouTube channel, even though they're not necessarily all that great. Even though the videos may not be the best quality. Even though the on-camera presence may not be all that awesome. I've seen people do this and succeed with it just by getting out there, publishing the videos, and working on getting better over time. And when you do that, when you decide that you're going to put in the effort, when you decide that you're going to take action, when you decide that you're not going to sit around and just keep learning and studying for years and years and years like I did, when you decide that now is the time to get started becoming a content publisher, that's when your internet marketing, affiliate marketing, influencer-based business, that's when it's going to start to take off, when you start taking that daily focused action. Until then, you're not going to see results. You're not going to build a business. You're not going to make great videos. You're not going to make great blog posts. You're not going to accomplish what you want to accomplish. You're just going to gather knowledge. You're just going to gather information, and you're going to keep doubting yourself. So really the goal of this video is really to say, stop acquiring knowledge if you've already learned all of the basics that you need to learn, which it only takes not very long to learn the basics, right? Learning the basics of this business can be done in a very short amount of time. But when you take that knowledge and you put it into action, you put it into practice, and you do it consistently over a period of time, and you focus at getting better as you go along, that's when you're going to see success. Hey, so again, this has been Daniel P. Robertson here, and if you got any value out of this video, if it encouraged you or motivated you or inspired you to take some kind of action, right, go ahead and leave a comment below of how it inspired you and of what you're going to do next, and then share this video with somebody who needs to hear about it. And then I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.